Hello friends, today in this video we will going to learn how to solve the given question by using the formulas what we have learned. So let us begin. In an AP, 19th term is 52 and 38th term is 128. Find sum of first 56 terms. So let us begin. They have given three parts. So first we will take first part, that is 19th term is 52. It means n equals to 19 and Tn equals to 52. Therefore, we will going to use the formula Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So when I substitute for it, I will get 52 equals to A plus 19 minus 1 into D. A and D both are not given, so we'll keep them as it is. Now we will simplify it further. So we will get 52 equals to A plus 18 D. So that we are taking it equation number 1. So we have done first part. Let us similarly go for the second part. Our second part says that 38th term is 128, means n equals to 38 and Tn equals to 128. Again we will use the same formula. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore 128 equals to A plus 38 minus 1 into D. N, as you know, 38. If we further simplify, I get 128 equals to A plus 37D. We will take these two equation as 2. Now if you will see, they want you to find out sum of first 56 terms. But for that I need A and D. If not, then what? So first we will see what is the formula for sum of first 56 terms. Here n equals to 56. So for that I am adding 1 and 2. I will get 52 plus 128. Left hand side of both the equation I am adding equals to. Now right side of the both the equation will be added. A plus 18D plus A plus 37D. When I further simplify, I get 180 equals to 2A plus 50D, 55D. That I am taking it as equation number 3. So let us see now what we get it for sum of the first 56 terms of the equation. So here we have Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. When I substitute for 56, I will get S56 equals to 56 upon 2 plus 2a plus n value is 56. So 56 minus 1 into d. If I further simplify, I am getting 56 upon 2 into 2a plus 55d. Now you check your third equation. You can guess what we have got. 2a plus 55d value we have got. That we will substitute here. So what I'll get it? S56 equals to 56 upon 2 multiply by 180. So 2a plus 55d is replaced by its value from equation 3, that is 180. Now we can go for cancellation. So 2 one time and 228 times 56. So when I multiply 28 into 180, I get S56 equals to 5040. So I hope you have understood how to calculate the sum of first 56 term. But we cannot find it without writing final answer. So the sum of first 56 terms of the given AP is 5040. I hope you have understood this clearly. So, if you have liked it, please share with your friend so that they can also get benefit.